Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a simple trick to fix your old Bose Wave radio in less than 2 minutes. Are you ready for this? So we've had this, my wife and I have had this for, I don't know, probably over 10 years, and it sounds awesome when it works, but probably a few months ago it started to stop working. It has the infamous "please wait" error that pops up. So just to show you the remote, so you try to turn it on and it says please wait. CD doesn't work, aux does not work, AM FM does not work, and this is a common problem a lot of people have with these older Bose Wave radios. So I'm going to show you the secret. I didn't come up with this, I found it online and it was mind-blowing, and I hope it'll help you. Alright, so here we go. What you need is a hair blow dryer. Alright, so I read a bunch of things online, some YouTube videos about taking the thing apart, replacing capacitors. I don't have time for that, so I'm going to give this a shot and show you how it works. Alright, here we go. Alright, so maybe under 5 minutes, but nevertheless, I never would have thought it would take a hairdryer to fix my Bose Wave radio. So I hope that helps you. And one other bonus tip is I kept losing this little remote, so if you just put some Velcro on the back and Velcro on the sides here, boom, you'll never lose it. Alright, well guys, thanks for watching today. Hope this gave you some value, and have a great day. Take care.